Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to the last and final video for the stocks I'm watching for this week of 2020 to 2021, right? Super excited. Hope you all enjoyed the series. If you did, make sure to leave a comment and tell me to do some more. I really enjoy doing these videos for y'all. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on stock tweets and Twitter at That's Just Trading. And without further ado, guys, let's hop in it. Welcome back to the last and final stock on our watch list. Not saying that more can't pop up, but this is the last stock for today that I'm watching, and that is snow, right? So what are you like? What do you mean? What is snow? Like, is it snowing outside? No, that's not what I meant. There's a company called Snow, right? Stock, and it trades around the 300 to 400 area. And what can I see more potential, guys? Why can I see more potential? Excuse me. Well, I mean, look at this, right? So first off, we're on our 4 hour chart, the one I like the most, right? And I like the 4 hour chart because that gives you the best supports and the best resistances for your, and then you can go to your 1 minute and trade it, you know, your 3 minute, whatever you like. But I mean, as you can see here, you know, we've kind of been on this downtrend ever since we hit this 429 area. And I kind of like this a lot because it's like on the other stocks, you know. I kind of like when we reject this downtrend line multiple times because when the breakthrough happens, it usually happens with a lot more volume and a lot bigger run up, right? So, I mean, kind of right here, I mean, I honestly thought it was going to squeeze before. I didn't do a video on it before, but I thought it was going to squeeze before right here. And it ended up breaking this downtrend line. I mean, this uptrend line it was holding for the previous two supports, right? So now now what are you saying? Well, you're probably telling me, well, like, why do you think this has more room to run up then? Well, I mean, I could have said that last time, you know, the last time it broke this uptrend line, right? Let's say I was trading it from here. Oh, I got to bring out my other one real quick. Let's say I was trading from here, right? And then this one broke, or even this one broke, you know. And I could have said, well, this doesn't have any more room, you know. It just broke. It's probably going to go down. And then look what happened, you know. You can never be too sure. But what I like to play, guys, are supports, you know. I don't like to... I'm not saying I don't like to play flags because I love to play flags, but I trust more the supports because why? Because that's where we've seen previous chart history repeat itself multiple times. And right here, we're kind of holding up the support area, right? And we have the support area from 302 to about 320-ish, and where the stock's been bouncing previously, right? Now, okay, what I'm saying is if we break 300, okay, then we can see more room towards the downside to about maybe these lows, not these lows, but maybe these previous supports at around 280 to 267 area, you know, which is a lot more down, and you don't want to be stuck holding, right? So the smart thing to do, and in my opinion, what I'm gonna do in my game plan, right? I'm watching to see which one of these is gonna bounce off of, right? I'm not saying it's not gonna bounce off this one or it's not gonna bounce off this one, you know, but I'm watching to see which one is gonna bounce off of and which one is gonna squeeze against this flag. It's like I told y'all multiple times in the last videos, guys. We like to see that punch in the wall until finally it breaks through, right? So, I mean, if we can keep testing this downtrend line and keep rejecting, I mean, that's beautiful for me because the more we reject it, the more we kind of build up our strength for when it breaks, like all the volume comes in and we kind of punch through it and we hit, we break all usually through these previous highs right here. I'm not saying it's going to go to 420 automatically, but I'm just saying, you know. So, that's kind of what I see on Snow, guys. I really like it. I mean, like I said, if you're going to take a dip buy, guys, on this 320 area, you're going to wait and dip buy on 300 area. That's a little bit more my favorite plays because, like I said, it's better to buy the dips and maybe average down or get out with a small loss rather than buying. I mean, imagine if you bought up here at this 420 something area, right? The 429 area, and you rode it all the way down to the 300 area, bruh. Like, that's a huge loss for you, you know? And I don't like to see anyone lose. So I kind of want to help you all out. From a trader point of view and what I think is gonna happen. And so, like I said, guys, I mean, stick to your game plan. This is my game plan. If you all like it, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is the last stock that I'm watching this week. Not saying that more can pop up later on today or tomorrow, but as of right now, these are my top 3 plays that I really enjoy and I really like watching for this coming week of 2020 to 2021. Anyways, guys, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Hope y'all have a Merry Christmas and this week coming, a Happy New Year, right?